Hi everyone, let's know about the regular MBA. So basically, when you go and choose regular MBA, so things are like the benefits that I could say. And you will develop confidence, you will develop communication skills, you will know like how exactly a professionalism look like, what exactly a management are. All the management terms you will get to know more when you are regular to the campus. You will get to know what are the things that another person are trying, another people and students are doing, what are the strategies that they are implementing, and on the same note you also can pursue and make a strategy that yes, me as an MBA student, these are the skills that I have to pursue and here I am lacking. So you get to know about where you are lacking currently, because there will be a moment when there will be case studies assigned to you, there will be presentation moment, and then there you will get to know that are you able to speak, are you enough confident to sit in an interview and speak in English, either in Hindi. Do your personality is that much that you can compete any another student, because appearance do not matter. Like it's never like being black or being more white gives you priority and stands you on a downfall. No, it's all your confidence and communication, and you will get to know when you will move to the regular university or the college. Second, if you are moving regular and if you are not going regular, so mostly MBA, the NCR university and the college provide the package of 4.5. That's a basic, and it depends totally on the luck that you could get a package of 5.5 or more than that. And the student who used to go to a regular MBA, they are given a first priority to those who haven't done MBA regularly. Also, when you used to get all the case studies, and you learn about various brands being a marketer, or the case studies related to the HR or whatever, so your mindset become sort at that moment that how you have to solve the query. So these are the benefits that you get when you used to move on a regular MBA. Also, you will get to know where your interest lies, because at the initial time we do not know like do we are having interest in HR, do marketing is good to us, do operations is good to us. But when you used to move regular, so first year of the MBA is like you will learn all the subjects, and therefore you can get like where exactly your interest lies. So these are the benefits that happen like when you used to pursue a regular MBA, and yes, you will be having and you will be given the more priority than others.